Hello everyone, welcome to the Funny Current Affairs. So please do this MCQ, all the aspirants, and anyhow after the lecture you will be able to know that the video lecture begins now.
This is a very important chart one aspirant should know because it gives you complete sources of revenues of the government. If you see the chart very closely, it consists of revenue receipts and capital receipts of the government along with borrowings. So these three categories are the sources of revenue to the government. Now within the tax revenues, you know that direct taxes, indirect taxes are there. Then again you also have non-tax revenues. Then you also have capital receipts. So let us understand it one by one. If the question comes in the examination, which one of the following is a major source of revenue to the government, your answer will be borrowing, because in the chart it is clearly mentioned that borrowing constitutes the major source of revenue to the government, which is 28%, followed by income tax, which is 19%, GST 18%, corporation tax 17%. So if they ask you to arrange the following taxes in the chronological order of their contribution to the government revenue, you have to list these three. Hello everyone, the part 1 of this particular chart I have already told in the previous short. Please look into that. Now if we decode this chart more, you will also find that within the direct taxes, it is the income tax which contributes more than the corporation tax. So income tax is a major direct tax revenue source to the government, followed by corporation tax. When it comes to indirect taxes, we are in the chart it is given GST is there, union excise duty is also there, custom is also there. So within the indirect tax, GST is the highest contributor, followed by excise tax, union excise, then followed by custom duties. Okay, and if you look at the chart very closely, capital receipts are very least source of revenue to the government. And another important analysis from this chart is tax revenues are always greater than non-tax revenues. Okay, please make sure you understand all.